What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks. Very easy, very simple TikToks to make. Like that. Snap of the finger, very quick. Takes seconds to make. Alright, so anyway, this idea is just more of a experiment than anything. I'm just trying to see if I can get sales using very simple TikToks and posting them at the often time that the app is showing me and showing people that, hey, these are the best times to post TikToks, and see if I can make a channel based on that. As you know, a couple days ago I made a page called Motivation Connect on TikTok, and we're seeing how it grows and seeing if we can get sales using it. And I'm recording it for everybody to see every single day, our progress and stuff. So far it's been kind of on the slow side, but that's just the way it is. Repetition builds success. Basically, if something taking slow, just keep doing it. You'll get to the success eventually. I think that's what's been working for me. Just staying on something, having determination to keep doing it. But anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right. So first off, we're gonna go to our TikTok here, and we're gonna see what our results is. We're gonna refresh the page. Make sure here we got 98 followers so far. So they perform better than the worst performing videos on my channel, but still kind of on the bad side. Alright, so let's get to making our next TikTok here. We're gonna find us a post here. Let's see, let's type in motivation quote for success. Let's go with that. Consistency more important than perfection. I actually agree with this. I can't remember if I posted this or not already. Hold up. If I made this consistency. I'm just checking to see if I ain't wrote that yet. I'm not sure. It sounds like something that I already would have been picked. I'm just trying to make sure I haven't. Okay. Oh no, I did it. Alright guys, so we gotta look for another one here. Not a big deal. We're just gonna scroll down a bit. Discipline. Great things never came from comfort zones. That's a good one. I can always change it too. I just thought about it. Great things never come from comfort zones. Let's go with that. Great things never I just realized something. I could take previous quotes and we can change them with the WordTune app here, and I could change it around. A great thing never comes from comfort zone, and I can just look at something that makes the comfort zone do not bring great things. Anyway, comfort zones are not homes to great things. That's a unique way of saying it too. But we're gonna just keep it that way it's at. We're gonna make it a little smaller on the smaller end. I agree with that. Okay, we're gonna keep it this small. I think we're gonna make it white. I'm gonna go with yellow. I think I'm going with yellow. A little bit more yellow than. Did I do yellow already? Oh, look, I feel like I just did the yellow. I'm gonna just make sure. Okay, I did purple. That was the last thing. Color. I did just do yellow. I thought so. Okay, we're gonna go with let's go with green. We'll do green. No big deal. White. Things. We'll go with green here. Sorry it's taking me so long to figure this out, guys. They're trying to make sure I don't post the same thing, you know, bite to bite, so to speak. So we slowly figuring this out. All right, so let's get a view here. Let's go with this one. We're gonna just rock that one. We ain't gonna think about it. Pop it in now. Boom. Like what that was. Found the video already. Gonna place background. We're gonna make sure it's muted, and we're gonna edit the video just slightly. One reason why I'm editing the video is because I want it to be brighter for one thing, but another reason is because I want it to look different just in case somebody else done posted this video on TikTok. I want it to register a little different looking. That's another reason why I do that. But anyway, guys, we're gonna find us a song. I'm gonna pick one of the songs I already got. We ain't gonna look for one this time because I took too long looking for a quote, so I kind of want to hurry this along here for you guys. I don't want to waste too much time, you know what I mean? Anyway, we're gonna go with a powerful trap. How about that? Oh man, I put it in the wrong place. Powerful trap. Mute this. Out of this. Let's see how it sounds. Like that. Alright, so we're gonna run with that. We're gonna download that. So we're gonna go over here. Now what we want is, today is Monday, so we already did the 6 a.m. one. We ain't worried about that one. We need to do the 10 a.m. one. Alright, so 10 a.m. we need to post for 10 a.m. So we go here, we're gonna get a quote here. Get a quote, we're gonna go to upload. Make sure it's 10 a.m. is what we're shooting for here. So 10. Alright. Now another thing we're gonna do. Great things never came from comfort zones. I gotta think of a short quote real quick. The pit right here. Comfort does not equal success. I'm gonna delete all of these. Does not equal success. Comfort does not equal success. Type it a little too fast. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this. And we're gonna put it in rapid tags. We're just trying this out, see how this works out. Basically what it's doing. Oh, I ain't even spell comfort right. Copy. We ain't even spell comfort right. Anyway, we're gonna do that, and then we should get like some quotes we can put in there at the end right here. Boom. And it should kind of go based on what I type, be a little bit more on point with what the quote is about. So we get different hashtags for every time we post, which could, you know, spread our videos to more audiences instead of the same one over and over and over again. So we might get more success like that. I'm just trying it out just to see what happens. Because those quotes, I just kind of just pat them randomly. Those hashtags I meant to say. I've been poking them random, but I put in my quote I put it in rapid tags, and it'll post out some, you know, hashtags following that quote. So that should work a little better. We're gonna see. Just testing this out today. All right, guys. And we'll see how we perform. That's all there is to it, guys. Like I stated before, the link's in the description. You're very interested in following along for the $25 all-in-one digital business. Interested? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.